Welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna make baby corn manchurian dry. Add corn flour 2 tablespoons in a mixing bowl. Add maida 1 tablespoon. Rice flour 1 tablespoon. Add kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon. Add soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Add pepper half teaspoon crushed. Add salt to taste. Add slowly water as required. Make a smooth flowing consistency batter. Add baby corn 10. Cut each baby corn in half lengthwise. Coat them completely in a batter. Deep fry the baby corn in hot oil till they become crispy and golden brown. Heat oil 1 tablespoon in a pan. Add green chili 5. Add chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. Add chopped onion 1 small. Add half capsicum. Saute for 1 minute. Add soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Add chili tomato sauce 1 tablespoon. Add black pepper powder half teaspoon. Add, add a deep fried baby corn. Give a good mix. Add chopped spring onion 1/4 cup. Add half cup cornstarch mixture. Mix 1 tablespoon cornflour with 1/4 cup of water. Fry for a minute. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it with your family and your friends.